on, stay. Notice I'm all the way back here from the bed. That's a good boy. And then towards the bed. Okay, go to bed. Go to bed. Stay. Good boy. That's a good boy. Stay. Okay, come. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Come on, go. Stay. Good boy. Take down. Stay. Good boy. Okay, go to bed. And stay. Oh, you're a good boy. Okay, sit, stay. Good boy. Okay, bed. Stay. Good boy. Okay, sit, stay. Good boy. Okay, bed. Stay. Good boy. Okay, come on. Who's a good boy? Come on. Oh, you're a good boy. Kissy, smoochy. Okay, go to bed. Bed. Stay. Good boy, Busey. That's a good dog. See, it's so much of it is in kind of the amount of emotion and energy that we use when we're talking to them, the level of excitement and how much we move our body. We can kind of manipulate the speed and the expedience that they do their command and their attitude with it. That's a good boy. That's a good Busey. Stay.